So your HP printer is showing an error E3 and you don't know what to do. This error usually points to a paper jam or scanner issue or something stuck in the printer that's stopping it from working properly. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through simple solutions to fix that E3 error and get your printer back up and running. And yes, if you think you need help, even after watching this video, feel free to dial the numbers on the screen for one-on-one assistance from our experts. Alright then, let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Check for obstructions in the carriage path. If the cancel button on your printer is flashing, go ahead and press and hold it until it stops and goes quiet. With your printer still turned on, unplug the power cord from the back of it. Open up the cartridge access door. Gently try sliding the ink cartridge from the left to right just to make sure it's moving smoothly without anything blocking it. Take a look inside and remove any bits of jam paper you spot. If method 1 didn't do the trick, let's try giving your printer a quick reset. Also, if these solutions help you, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Reset the printer. With your printer on, disconnect the power cord from the printer itself. Now, unplug the other end from the wall outlet. Make sure your printer's power cord is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip. Wait for about 60 seconds, then give it a proper reset. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Reconnect the cord to your printer. If it doesn't turn back on automatically, just press the power button and you should be good to go.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.